Kerala special AshGourd Dal curry recipe. The combination of dal and ashgourd brings to you a special taste and flavor. It's a simple and tasty recipe. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3/4 cup of Toor Dal. We have washed, cleaned and soaked Toor Dal for 30 minutes. Then add 4 cups of diced ashgourd pieces, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 cups of water. Mix all together nicely. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles on high flame. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Open after 15 minutes only. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded mixture. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon cumin seeds.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
3 green chillies, some curry leaves, half cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Keep it for later use. Now we can open the lid. Ashgourd and Toor Dal has cooked well. Now add the grinded mixture to it. Stir it well. Cook for 1 minute on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, switch off the flame. In a pan, take the tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutters. Then add 3 red chillies, some curry leaves, 8 shallots. Saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame until shallots change to light golden color. Finally, garnish it on top of it. Mix it well. Our Kerala style AshGourd Dal curry recipe is ready. This recipe is usually served along with rice. If you are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 7 to 8 portions.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.